Namaste, Namaskara, Hey Gidira, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back, all you cricket fans, in another brand new episode in the Papley Project. आज का एपिसोड बहुत ही धमाकेदार होने वाला है. As always, we have the first segment where we will talk about today's game between Punjab Kings versus Rajasthan Royals. It will be a crazy contest where Rajasthan will look to get into the top 3, and on the other end, Punjab will look to continue their winning streak without losing a single game. In the second segment, we will talk about yesterday's game that happened between Delhi Capitals and Royal Challengers Bangalore. It was a one-sided affair, and we'll dig deep into what really went wrong for Delhi Capitals in yesterday's game. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so. And अगर वीडियो आप लोगों को पसंद आया, एंड तक देखना. Let's get started straight into the first segment where we will talk about today's game, do a quick preview of the game between Punjab versus Rajasthan. And ये होगा match number 40. This game is happening in Mullanpur, New Chandigarh, जो कि पंजाब का होम ग्राउंड माना जाता है. एंड लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द पिच रिपोर्ट. तो मुल्लनपुर का स्टेडियम इज़ यूजली नोन फॉर इट्स बैटिंग फ्रेंडली नेचर, एंड यहाँ पे न्यू बॉल बॉलर्स को थोड़ा सहायता मिल सकती है इन द फर्स्ट कपल ऑफ ओवर्स इफ़ दे यूज़ इट प्रीटी वेल. ड्यू फैक्टर तो रहेगा, तो जो भी टॉस जीतेगा वो फील्डिंग ही करेगा, एंड दैट्स समथिंग दैट इज़ एक्सपेक्टेड. And the pass score here would be anything above 180 is considered as a good total. So let's see who wins the toss, right? In a couple of minutes we will have the toss, and I'll share more updates with you from that. So the toss is out, and the toss is won by Rajasthan Royals, who put Punjab to bat first. And it's a good toss to win. तो चलो let's get started and look at the teams. तो पंजाब के लिए I don't think so they'll make a lot of changes here, but Shreyas Iyer, Prabhsimran Singh, Priyansh Arya, Cooper Connolly, Suryansh Shedge is getting an opportunity today. Nehal Vadera, Marcus Stoinis, Marco Jansen, Lockie Ferguson has come into the team. Arshdeep Singh and Yuzvendra Chahal. Substitutes में विष्णु विनोद, Xavier Bartlett, Vaishak Vijay Kumar, Harpreet Bar and Mushir Khan. So Xavier Bartlett is out today. He's not in the playing 11 along with Vaishak Vijay Kumar. So in his absence, obviously Suryansh Shedge, and in Xavier Bartlett's absence, Lockie Ferguson is getting an opportunity. So it'll be exciting to see how Suryansh Shedge is going to make use of his opportunity. First game in this season's IPL, so it'll be exciting to see him. On the other end, RR के लिए Riyan Parag, Vaibhav Suryavanshi, Yashasvi Jaiswal, Dhruv Jurel, Donovan Ferreira, Ravindra Jadeja, Dashun Chanaka, Jofra Archer, Nandre Burger, Brijesh Sharma, Yashraj Punja. Dashun Chanaka has gotten an opportunity today, so he's in the playing 11. Substitutes में obviously Ravi Bishnoi, Ravi Singh, Tushar Deshpande, Shubham Dubey and Shimron Hetmyer है. तो they've given an opportunity to Dasun Chanaka in Shimron Hetmyer's absence, and I would say this is a good move considering that Shimron Hetmyer has not been in the greatest of his forms, and nothing wrong in giving Dasun Chanaka an opportunity. The scorecard at the moment, Punjab has already gone off to a flying start. So they are currently at 39 for 1 in 3.2 overs. And Priyansh Arya played some outstanding shots in the first couple of overs. He scored 29 of just 11 deliveries. He hit 5 boundaries and a sixer. He was striking at 263k strike rate per, right? And Prabhsimran Singh, he's at the crease along with Cooper Connolly. They are currently going a little slow, but I'm sure इनमें से एक बंदा definitely जाएगा, and he's gonna go after some of these bowlers. तो bowling करने अभी जोफ्रा आर्चर और एंड्रे बर्गर बॉलिंग कर रहे हैं. and Nandre Berger is going for some crazy runs compared to Jofra. Jofra Archer's bowled 2, he's just given 12 runs, picked up a wicket of Priyancharya, who was caught by Nandre Berger. And Nandre Berger ने 1.4 overs डाला है अभी तक. He's given 27 runs with an economy of 16.2. तो exciting contest for sure. देखते हैं how many runs Punjab is gonna put on the board, and will RR be able to restrict Punjab to a decent total. Head to head अगर comparison हम लोग करेंगे इनका, since 2022 Punjab has played Rajasthan Royals at least 7 times, and out of those Punjab has won just 3 and Rajasthan has won 4. So अभी इस गेम में अगर पंजाब जीतेगा it'll be a tie between the two teams. Power play में focus definitely होगा प्रियांचार्या पे, जो कि went off to a flyer. There were hopes about him or Prabsimran facing Jofra, and they are definitely someone who would not, I would say, give the respect that the bowler deserves, right? They go out left, right and center, scoring those big sixes and boundaries. Priyancharya और Jofra Archer का ये contest जो था देखने लायक था. Priyancharya, since IPL 2026, he's performed really well, right? So he's played 6 games, scored 254 runs, and in the first 10 deliveries that he's faced, he's striking with a strike rate of 230, right? And his boundary percentage in his innings is 82%. Similarly, अगर जोफ्रा का stats देखेंगे, so he in the power play he's bowled around 16 overs since this season's IPL, obviously, and he's picked up 8 crucial wickets. He's gotten about 36% of fall shots that were played against his bowling. He's bowling at an economy of 8.4 with a bowling strike rate of 12. Very, very impressive. Then on the other end, it'll be great to see how Prabsimran Singh will fare against the spin attack from Rajasthan Royals. You have Punja, Yashraj Punja and Ravindra Singh Jadeja who will be bowling. तो उनका एक exciting contest होने वाला है for sure if Prabsimran Singh survives till the 10th over. On the other end, यशस्वी जायसवाल और मार्कस स्टॉइनिस का भी एक बैटल हो सकता है. Not just that, but if you've seen the bowling lineup for Punjab, so they do have some good bowlers. You have Marco Jansen, who's in excellent form, बहुत ही controlled bowling कर रहे हैं. You also have Lockie Ferguson and Yuzi Chahal on the other end versus some of the batsmen for RR, right? Especially Dhruv Jurel and Yashasvi. It'll be exciting to see their contest as well. So great game on the cards. So the current score after the completion of 4 overs is 48 for 1. Currently Prabsimran or Cooper Connolly खेल रहे हैं, and it'll be exciting to see the total that they put on for Rajasthan Royals to chase. Let's go to the second segment of today's episode. यहाँ पे हम लोग कल के गेम के बारे में बात करेंगे, which was between DC and RCB. कल का मैच एकदम टोटल डोमिनेशन था by RCB, and RCB defeated Delhi Capitals with 9 wickets in hand, and points table में they almost in touching distance of Punjab. तो बहुत ही टाइट है. Even if Punjab loses today, they still retain the top spot, but RCB is a point away from them, right? So it'll be exciting to see that battle. So Delhi की batting, there was complete chaos and collapse, I would say, right? सिर्फ 75 runs बनाए and before they were all out, and ये उनके सीज़न का एक बहुत ही बुरा परफॉर्मेंस रहा है. लेट्स गो इनटू डिटेल्स. तो कल का मैच का टॉस जीता था आरसीबी ने, हु पुट दिल्ली कैपिटल्स टू बैट फर्स्ट, एंड बॉलिंग पर आए थे भुवनेश्वर कुमार और जॉश हेजलवुड, हु वे बॉलिंग टू साहिल पराग, हु हैज़ हिज डेब्यू yesterday, and on the other end was KL Rahul, तो आई एम श्योर दिल्ली कैपिटल्स के बैट्समैन ने wouldn't have expected such a lethal attack from RCB yesterday. So Sahil Parag, he faces the first ball, he defends it, get off the mark. The second ball, Bhuvin Bhai ने जो यॉर्कर डाला, it completely took Sahil by surprise and he was bowled of the very second delivery of the game. फिर आते हैं नीतीश राणा जो कि केएल राहुल के साथ एक पार्टनरशिप बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं। तो सेकंड ओवर में जब जॉश हेजलवुड बॉलिंग करने आते हैं तो केएल राहुल को एक बाउंसर डालकर उनका कॉट बिहाइंड हो जाता है। तो इन द सेकंड ओवर केएल राहुल इज आउट। देन आते हैं समीर रिजवी क्रीज पर एंड द वेरी फर्स्ट बॉल समीर रिजवी is caught behind by Jitesh Sharma of Josh Hazelwood's bowling. और दूसरे साइड पर you had Nitish Rana who is in complete dismay and shock कि क्या हो रहा है, right? So at 1.2 overs, Delhi Capitals was 3 for 2, 3 runs with the loss of 2 wickets. That's crazy if you look at a T20 game. फिर आते हैं Tristan Stubbs जो कि नीतीश राणा के साथ एक 5 रन का पार्टनरशिप बनाते हैं। ही हिट अ ब्यूटिफुल बाउंड्री टू गेट ऑफ द मार्क। फिर भुवनेश्वर कुमार अपना जादू फिर से दिखा देते हैं, राइट। सो इन द थर्ड ओवर ट्रिस्टन स्टब्स का विकेट चला जाता है, कॉट बाय देवदत्त पाडिक्कल इन द स्लिप्स ऑफ भुवनेश्वर कुमार बॉलिंग। तो ही इज आउट फॉर 5 ऑफ द 3 balls that he faced. देन अक्षर पटेल आते हैं क्रीज पर। उसी ओवर में भुवी गेट्स अक्षर पटेल आउट एज वेल, कॉट बिहाइंड। बाय नाउ द होल कंट्री इज इन एब्सोल्यूट शॉक। 2.4 ओवर्स पर अक्षर पटेल का विकेट चला जाता है एंड दैट वाज एब्सोल्यूट डिस्ट्रक्शन फॉर श्योर, राइट। फिर आते हैं अभिषेक पुरेल एज एन इम्पैक्ट प्लेयर बिकॉज डीसी डिडंट हैव अ चॉइस, they had to get someone to come in and stabilize that innings and play a crucial knock. तो अभिषेक पुरेल आ जाते हैं और नीतीश राणा के साथ they try to build a partnership, but एक ही रन बनाकर नीतीश राणा का 4th ओवर पर विकेट चला जाता है ऑफ जॉश हेजलवुड, again caught by देवदत्त पाडिक्कल. He goes for a pull and then एज लगता है, easy catch for देवदत्त पाडिक्कल. तो फिर डेविड मिलर आ जाते हैं क्रीज पर and he was the last hope for Delhi. Compared to how things were going, this was something I've never witnessed in a cricket game, right? 4th ओवर पर 6 runs पर 8 विकेट चला गया था दिल्ली का and the only hope that Delhi had was Abhishek Porel and David Miller doing some magic. They eventually end up creating a small partnership of 35 runs and 9th ओवर पर डेविड मिलर का विकेट चला जाता है. So David Miller was out of रसिक दार्स bowling, caught behind. and फिर आते हैं काइल जेमिसन. तो काइल जेमिसन का भी एक छोटा अभिषेक पुरेल के साथ एक छोटा पार्टनरशिप बन जाता है 19 रन्स का. एंड देन ऑब्वियसली काइल जेमिसन का विकेट चला जाता है 13th ओवर पर LBW ऑफ कृणाल पांड्याज बॉलिंग. फिर आते हैं क्रीज पर कुलदीप यादव who was just sent to just stay there with Abhishek Porel on one end so that Abhishek Porel can continue the way he was batting. Hats off to Abhishek Porel, to be frank, right? जो भी उनको मौका मिला, he utilized it pretty well. I was a little shocked कि उनको अभी तक क्यों दिल्ली ने मौका नहीं दिया था. He's a left-hander batsman who's performed in the previous seasons as well. एक विकेट कीपिंग का एडवांटेज भी है उनको, तो I was expecting him to get more chances. Now in yesterday's game as an impact player he got an opportunity and he did perform, right? तो कुलदीप यादव के साथ 9 रन का पार्टनरशिप बनता है एंड कुलदीप यादव then gets out in the 16th over. So he goes out bowled of सुयश शर्मा. RCB ने बहुत कोशिश की दिल्ली को जल्दी से जल्दी ऑल आउट कराने की, बट अभिषेक पुरेल hats off to you for the resilience and the fight that you put up. फिर आते हैं दुष्मंत चमीरा जो कि अभिषेक पुरेल के साथ फिर से एक 4 रन का पार्टनरशिप बनाते हैं बिफोर अभिषेक पुरेल गेट्स आउट इन द 17th over, scoring 30 runs of the 33 deliveries that he faced. तो 16.3 overs पर दिल्ली कैपिटल्स का बैटिंग कंप्लीट कोलैप्स हो जाता है एंड दे आर ऑल आउट, राइट? सो 75 runs was the target for RCB, and the moment you see a smaller target, obviously any team that is looking at playoffs, they would definitely want to look at it as an opportunity to improve their net run rate. RCB, they definitely had their plans well executed. I am sure they didn't expect that इतनी जल्दी Delhi Capitals का बैटिंग कोलैप्स हो जाएगा, and hats off the way that Bhuvneshwar and Josh Hazelwood bowled in the power play. One of the lowest scores in the power play, I would say, for any team to ever play. तो ओपनिंग करने आए जेकब बेथिल और विराट कोहली. They put on a good partnership of 26 runs in 17 deliveries that they faced before Jacob Bethel gets out in the 3rd over. So he goes out of the bowling of Kyle Jamieson, caught by T. Natarajan. It was a beautiful catch by T. Natarajan running backwards and also to control the momentum and to stop at the very right moment. Having that kind of balance on the boundary, it's very difficult. So I don't know how he managed to hit the brakes, but he eventually did, right? So one of the beautiful catches of this season's IPL, I would say. फिर आते हैं देवदत्त पाडिक्कल. I mean, RCB का opening lineup is crazy. Phil Salt थे, he made a difference. Now Jacob Bethel's come in the absence of Phil Salt, he's making a difference. फिर obviously Devdutt Padikkal और विराट कोहली का partnership, which has been clicking since the last 2 seasons, right? तो देवदत्त पाडिक्कल भी आते हैं, तो इनका 51 runs का partnership बन जाता है of just 22 deliveries, and both go off to a flying start. Some of the shots that Devdutt Padikkal hit, absolutely beautiful shots. Some of the sixes and जो flick था, जो cover drive मारकर जो 6 मारा था, beautiful. तो both put on a fabulous show. Virat Kohli scores 23 of just 15 deliveries with 1 boundary and 2 sixes, and Devdutt Padikkal on the other hand plays just 13 deliveries, scores 34 runs, 3 boundaries and 3 sixes in that innings with a strike rate of 261. So Delhi just didn't have a chance, right? मतलब firstly you're defending such a low score, plus RCB के जो top order batsmen हैं, the way they've been batting, there's no match. And when you have such a low total, you cannot expect a fight back from a team against such a solid RCB lineup, right? So Kyle Jamieson bowls 3 overs, gives out 42 runs, picks up a wicket. Dushmant Chamira bowls 2 overs, gives 18 runs, and Akshar Patel bowls 1 over, gives out 5 runs, and T. Natarajan bowls just 3 deliveries, gives out 12 runs. तो एक ही विकेट गया, didn't see too much. तो RCB का bowling lineup अगर देखोगे तो your star performers definitely were Josh Hazelwood and Bhuvneshwar Kumar. Josh Hazelwood का एक बहुत ही एक sensational spell था where he picked up 4 wickets and gave out just 12 runs. जो control Bhuvi and Josh Hazelwood ने बना के रखा था in the initial power play overs was one of the best power play overs I've ever seen. On the other end, Bhuvneshwar Kumar जो swing कर रहे थे ball, it was vintage Bhuvi at his best. So deadly swing bowling, he picked up 3 wickets, gave out just 5 runs. Then obviously बाकी तो सुयश शर्मा और कृणाल पांड्या ने काम कर दिया. So that is what really happened. And key stats, 13 runs per 6 wicket खोना. This is IPL history का सबसे lowest power play score by Delhi or any team, I would say, right? And RCB chased this down within 6.3 overs just after power play, and this is such a huge boost to their net run rate in the points table. So आरसीबी का bowling will definitely be talking point, I would say. बहुत ही dangerous लग रहा है, and the hope that all RCB fans would have is कि Josh Hazlewood continues to remain in his best fitness, और Bhuvi continues in the same form that he's in. Definitely RCB और Punjab title contenders है ही, and I hope कि RCB wins this season's IPL as well. As an RCB fan, that's what you would expect. आज के गेम का अगर प्रेडिक्शन देखोगे, अगर पंजाब अभी पहले बैटिंग जो कर रही है, if they put on a score of about 185, then it's very difficult to stop them with the way they've been bowling. लेकिन RR के लिए, if your top order clicks, which is a Vaibhav Suryavanshi, Yashasvi Jaiswal और Dhruv Jurel, then this game can be on RR's side. But since it's a home game for Punjab and the way they've been playing, I feel it's going to be Punjab again. But I want to be proved wrong. I just want to see them lose at least one game, ताकि top 2 में थोड़ी फाइट हो आरसीबी और उनके खिलाफ. आपको क्या लगता है आज के मैच के बारे में, बता देना कमेंट सेक्शन में. विल इट बी पंजाब या राजस्थान रॉयल्स? तो चलो, दैट्स इट फ्रॉम द सेंटर. इट्स लवली टॉकिंग टू यू गाइज एज ऑलवेज, एंड इफ यू लाइक द वीडियो प्लीज हिट दैट लाइक बटन. सब्सक्राइब करो if you haven't done so. Share it with your friends and family who love cricket, and keep loving cricket as always. Thank you for watching the Parkley Project.